Hi everybody, my name is Ezzat Jamshidi. I'm studying Summit 1B and I'm one of the Marefat students. The smartphones. The devices that we have been using for a long time now. The devices that have been developing with a freakishly fast speed. And every day they decreased our needs to carry different gadgets with us. First, the telephones became smaller, lighter, and the design changed a lot. So now we have better smartphones with more capabilities and options, but smaller and lighter. A Chinese brand, a Chinese telecommunication brand that has been working in China for so long, but nobody knew it in other countries in the world. It was unknown until they started making smartphones. And this year, they have come with this phone, Huawei p20 Pro, the first smartphone in the world with triple camera on the back. Here you can see the specifications. There's Huawei p20 and the Pro. The Pro version uses an OLED panel. You know what is OLED? It's organic LED panels. Instead of producing the black color, the display turns off, so you get better black color. And the Google is actually brighter, but the details are lost. And but in Huawei, you can see actually the details on these rocks. You can read the text on the buildings, but around the Google is all lost because of that the smaller sensor.
Give it up! Thank you so much.